Stop boiling eggs wrong. This 5-star hotel trick will blow your mind. Hello, welcome back to Clever Tricks. Never boil eggs directly in water. If you want beautiful, soft, and easy-to-peel boiled eggs, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you a special secret from a 5-star hotel kitchen. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to the traditional way of boiling eggs again. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Before we start cooking, the first thing we need to do is wash the eggs. And yes, this is more important than you think. Have you ever thought about how dirty eggshells get? Sometimes there are feathers, sometimes there are bits of chicken poop, or even just dust from the farm or the store. And sadly, no one wants to heat eggs with all that dirt going into the pot. Tell me, do you wash your eggs before boiling them, or do you just drop them straight into the pot? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. Here's what I do every time. I put 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of salt in a bowl. Add about 500 milliliters of water. I stir until dissolved, then gently wash the eggs in this solution. The baking soda cleans away any dried or dirty stains, and the salt is a natural disinfectant, killing bacteria and leaving the shells clean and safe. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference, not just in hygiene, but in the final product. Clean eggs cook better, peel easier, and don't have a weird smell. I always do this step, and I promise that once you start, you won't skip it again. Now let's talk about why washing eggs is important. Most people skip it, but did you know that eggshells can harbor harmful bacteria like E. coli or Salmonella? These bacteria cling to dirt, hair, or feces and can easily get into your food if you're not careful. When you boil eggs without washing them, all that dirt will go into the pot, and worse, it can stick to your hands, your utensils, or even get through the tiny holes in the eggshell. That's why I never risk it. It's just not worth it. After washing with the salt and baking soda solution, I don't do anything else. I take each egg and gently dry it with a clean kitchen towel or paper towel. This leaves the egg nice and dry before cooking. An extra step, but it's reassuring, and clean eggs are more enjoyable to cook, right? Before I go any further, I want to remind you to subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Each subscription gives me the motivation to continue and share useful tips with you. If you haven't already, please do so. And to those who have already subscribed, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. Now for step 2. I pour 1 liter of water into the pot and place a small bowl inside. In the bowl, I add vinegar and a spoonful of salt, and this step is more important than you think. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which reacts with the calcium carbonate in the eggshell, loosening it a little and making it easier to peel after cooking. Salt not only helps the steaming process, but also aids this reaction, allowing the shell to come off easily. Then I place a steaming rack or wire tray on top of the bowl. I add the eggs. You can use any type of steamer or container with holes. as long as the steam can circulate and cook the egg from all sides. The steam and vinegar salt mixture will result in a soft cooked egg with a smooth, crack-free white and a shell that slides off easily. This is the secret to perfectly boiled, easy-to-peel eggs every time. Now let's cook the eggs. I turned on the stove, brought the water to a boil. Once the water boiled, I kept it at that temperature and steamed the eggs for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how soft or hard you want them. This is much better than regular boiling. When boiling in water, the eggs roll around and hit the sides of the pot and crack, causing the egg whites to spill out, which is both messy and wasteful. But when steamed like this, the eggs stay still, don't bounce, don't crack, and the results are perfect. Another big benefit is the smell. Have you noticed that when you boil eggs directly in water, they often have a strong fishy smell? That's a common phenomenon. But when steamed, the eggs have a much more pleasant, fragrant smell. No strange smell, just fresh, delicious eggs to eat. After steaming, the second important step is to cool them quickly. I immediately put the eggs in a bowl of cold water. This stops the cooking process and cools them faster. And of course, peeling them is much easier. Speaking of peeling, here's my secret. I gently tap the egg with a knife, creating a crack. Then tap the top, and the shell comes off in large chunks. No stickiness, no mess, just seconds to a clean, smooth egg. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I gently tap the egg with a knife, creating a crack. How about the taste? Soft, creamy, natural. No rubber, no weird smell, just a perfect egg. Seriously, this method has changed the way I cook eggs for the better. What about you? Have you tried this steaming method at home? Leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear. You may or may not know, but hard-boiled eggs are one of the best foods you can eat. They're rich in high-quality protein, which helps maintain muscle and provide energy throughout the day. Eggs contain many important vitamins like B12 for the nerves, vitamin D for bones, and vitamin A for the eyes. Additionally, eggs are rich in minerals like iron and selenium, and are one of the best natural sources of choline, an important nutrient for the brain, especially as we age. So, if you're looking for something convenient and healthy, eggs are the way to go. And the best part, you can prepare them in so many ways. Eat them with salt, in sandwiches, in salads, or with soups and yogurt for a quick and nutritious meal. Eggs go with everything. How do you like to eat eggs? Do you have a favorite way to eat them? Leave a comment. I'd love to see it and maybe try it in the next video. What do you think of this method of steaming eggs? Sounds strange, I know, but the proof is in. No cracks, no mess, no stickiness. Eggs are soft, smooth, easy to peel, smell fresh and clean, not fishy like regular boiled eggs. This method heats the eggs slowly with steam, so you don't have to worry about sudden changes in temperature or the eggs cracking in the pot. This is the best method I've found after trying many different methods. And the great thing? No special tools required, just a pot, a small bowl, and something with holes to keep the eggs suspended in the water. I'd love to know, have you ever steamed eggs, or do you have a method that's equally good? Let me know in the comments. I love to hear great tips. Maybe there's a secret from your culture or tradition that I don't know about. Please share. Don't forget to subscribe and share with someone who still has trouble peeling eggs. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Just a click encourages me to continue creating and sharing tips like this with you. Good health and happy cooking, everyone. See you in the next video.